Hi, I'm Neil with ArrKann Trailer. I'm going to take you through the new 2020 Avenger 26BK. This travel trailer comes in around 30 feet and under 5,000 pounds dry. It is easily half-ton towable, and it's a bunk model. On the outside, you see it comes with a power awning with a LED strip lighting down the length. This LED light is actually attached to the trailer, so with your awning all the way out, it still illuminates your campground. With your awning all the way in, it still illuminates your campground. Nice big entry. This is the solid step system by MoreRide. Superior to the steps that just hang, this step is a lot more secure and solid, especially in a trailer with bunks where you have small children. It's a lot more safe. And in transit, this step actually comes all the way up and secures inside the coach. It's also adjustable on both sides. We know that every campground isn't as nice and flat as this concrete indoor staging area, but it's adjustable on each side so that you can, if there was a rock or you're on a slight hill, it could still be level and work properly. Coming down the side of the trailer, up here we've got two outside speakers. Those outside speakers are connected to the entertainment center inside, which is all Bluetooth, and you can control it from your phone, your smartphone. Nice big window too, and we'll really notice that when we go inside. Outside kitchen. The outside kitchen's complete with a sink, hot and cold, plumbed. It has a 2-burner stove top, and then as well as the 110-volt power fridge. Let's go inside. Welcome inside the Avenger 26BK. As you can see, this trailer has a wonderful kitchen. It has a flat Furrion high output 3-burner stove, range top and oven. It has a full-size stainless steel sink, seamless solid surface countertop, and nice residential style faucet. Good amount of pantry and storage space up here, and a bank of drawers here. These drawers are good quality, residential style with the full extension and the ball bearing metal drawer glides. Beside me here it has a sofa. So one of the features I love about this floor plan is the privacy aspect of it. This sofa is on a 3/4 wall with the bedroom on that side. This sofa does fold down and takes up about this much space. It can become an additional bed if you need to. Speaking of the master bedroom, the master bedroom does have a solid door. It's a sliding door that closes off for privacy. It features a RV queen with storage underneath. It's got a nice amount of side table on both sides with still a good sized wardrobe and more storage for clothing. There is a backer here in the stud here for a TV if you wanted to put a TV. It's got the controls up here too in the master bedroom. Coming around this side, like I talked about the window, I mean, what a great place to sit and eat breakfast while you're looking outside into your campground. This window is huge. It also has the pleated shade if you didn't want to let in too much light. So they still did incorporate some storage above, and of course this booth dinette folds down into an additional bed. How many beds do you need? This one's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2-door fridge and freezer. This is a 6 cubic foot RV fridge and freezer, works off of 110 volt or propane. And if you come back here, a good sized bathroom, toilet, as well as the shower, and then the sink on the outside. And these bunks are massive, so they're both doubles. So double over double bunks with the capacity of about 250, 275 pounds on each one. The trailer also has more features that I didn't talk about. Once again, I really think they nailed it with the modern feel in here. Easily half-ton towable, great for a family. It has an air conditioner that's ducted through the entire roof, 13,500 BTU AC, all controlled with the wall thermostat. It has a furnace that's ducted through the floor. Really, this is a perfect trailer whether you're just starting camping or you've been camping for a long time. Come into ArrKann Trailer to see it in person. Once again, my name is Neil. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to ArrKann YouTube channel for more informative videos, upcoming promotions, and some technical service videos too.